Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to learn this design which I'm going to show you. Okay, so this one is this is a video. Okay, and this is the poster. So I want to show you guys today that how can you design a poster and a video out of the same design. What do you do? Very easy. You can really use all this for your brands, your business, to make posters. And when you make this kind of videos, it's more of more, it looks nice, attractive. People really pay more attention at your brand. Then okay, so the first thing what we are going to do, and yeah, you do not need any software, you do not need any Photoshop or any any Adobe softwares or any software for that matter. What you need is, first thing, you're going to go on Google or whatever, and you are going to search for Canva. Okay, it's www.canva.com. So you will get this this home page of Canva. And what you have to do, you can see here I have already done the design already, but because I have to show you guys from the start how I'm going to design it. So the first thing, because it's a poster, so we'll click on the poster part, but I normally don't go here because I'll show you. So if you go here, it is very congestive, this part, and it's very not that good. Like you really can't see design. So what you have to do is go in templates, after the second option, templates, and because it's a poster, we are going to go for posters here. As you click on the poster, you're going to get all the templates, and as you know, I'm going to show you for free. So here you can see an option, you can click on that, and the second option, which is free, which says free, you click on that. Sorry for that. So yeah, so as you scroll down, you'll see many beautiful, amazing designs for free. I'll just click on that. So okay, so I have the one I have designed is through this only. I know there's a lot of difference, but I'll show you how to do that. So once you click on that, you get this panel wherein you just have to click on customize this template. That's it. Click on that. So a new page will open and you will get your poster here, and you have things like elements, uploads, text, audio. You can even link your Instagram or Facebook to the Canva app, and you have more option here. So okay, so as you can see, the one which I had designed was this. I know there's a lot of difference in it. Okay, I know this is very different, and but you see how I have used my brains to make that poster. You have to be little innovative here also. So I'll come on the option upload. Okay, so as you can see, there are many images, posters, and all of the stuff which I already downloaded. You can see the one which I have used in that, and I have the logo of my customers. So what you have to really do here is, because I had selected this image, you just have to click on the image, drag it here. See, you can see that it's coming in the background, you can see, right? So just drag it and leave it here. Now what you have to do is go in the corners, the dots, click on the dots, stretch the image from all the sides. See, stretch it. Now you have to get it right down. See, this is the border, this has to be right down, and now you can stretch the above part like this. Okay, get it full over there, covered, and just adjust this in the center like this. Okay, so I feel it's fine now, like your work is done. Just click out here. So once you click here, that gets deselected. So now what I really did was, here I had written the name of my customer, that was Chai Adda, and just click out or whatever. So what you have to really do is just go on that wordings and just double click. You see, it gets, the whole part gets selected, like the whole wordings have been selected. Now what you have to really do is just type. See, you just have to type over there whatever you want to write. You just have to type there. Okay, so what I'll do is, first thing, I have written Chai Adda here. I'm going to stretch it. Now you can see that there is a curve in here. Okay, so you can see a circle, so that's why it's curved. I'll show you how to do that also. So now the second line which I have written over there is Chai Adda, try the different varieties of tea. So we are going to type the same here.
I'll just double check. Okay.
I don't want this, so I'm just going to delete it. So now we are going to type here opening. So I'm just going to write opening and stretch it. So now, okay guys, so now you want to write, like, you want to type something extra in here. So what you have to really do is just click on T. You see, I just clicked on T on the keyboard, and here I have the typing. I mean, I can type there. So you just have to write whatever you want to write. You want to add extra text, just type T and you'll get this block. And now I'm going to type
5th August. Oopsie, hold on guys. 2021. Okay, so done. Now I'm going to stretch this too. Now see, because I want to highlight the date, I want people to know that yes, it is going to start on 5th of August. So that has to be my focus. So I'm going to make it that big. Now here I think it's the same. Okay, so August wasn't caps lock. Okay, so just type back.
Okay, now we are adding here the detail of the address of where it is. So now what you can do guys is, you can just click on this, press Alt and just drag that down. You see, this pressing Alt and dragging the sentence is going to duplicate it. So you can see how it has been duplicated here. So I am going to just, okay guys, so now I have typed the address. I want to change the font over here. Okay, now you can even do that in Canva. If you don't like the font, you can really change the font. What you really have to do, now I have selected the whole the letters till, I mean the words which I want to change the font of. So select that, and what you have to do is, you can see this option here. Okay, so you just have to click on this different types of font. Okay, so as you can see, I'm clicking on this one and the font has been changed. The same you can do for the other ones. Okay, now the only point here is that you do not click on this ones which has a crown. Okay, because the one which has a crown, it means it is Canva Pro. So please do not click on that, because that will ask you to pay. So we'll just, because we have to make a poster for free, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna try different types of font in here. Fine. See, I want it in one line. Okay, so if you want it in one line, you just have to stretch it from both the sides. So I'm going to show you how did I add in the logo. So it is just simple. You see upload media here. If you click on that, it's going to open device, Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram, all of that. You just have to click on device. So when you click on device, you already make a folder of yours wherein you save all the images and the logos of your customer or of yours which you want to add in the poster. So once it's there, you can just click on that, and then it get, like, I'll just show you this one. I'm just going to click on this and I'm just going to say open. So if you see in here, it is getting loaded, meaning they are downloading the image in this software of Canva. So you just have to wait till this gets full. So once it's full, you can really use those images here, and you can edit. So you see it's full and it's done here. You just have to drag it down. So what I'm going to do, that is for this logo, I'm just gonna click and just drag. Okay, you just have to get it inside, don't keep it out. And as you can see, it is like there's a lot of space on top and bottom. So I'm just gonna make it less because it creates a problem when you want to put some effects in there. Just cropped it too much. Okay, so to make that, what we have to do is, I'm going to show you how to get the cup first. So as you can see, we're going to come on this panel now, and you see elements here, the second option after templates, elements. You have to click on the element and you'll get a varieties of stuff. Like I'll show you some of the graphics here. Okay, you just have to click on see all, and you'll get a varieties of amazing graphics. Now again, you don't have to click on this crown ones because that is pro, you have to pay for that. Now if you don't want to pay for that, we do not click on that. If you can see a cup here, this is what I use. So basically you can just click here and just type like you can see I just typed cups and all that. So I'm just gonna type moon, and you see you get a lot of varieties of moon. What you have to do is just click on this cup, drag it, and you have to just see where you want to place it. And I want to place it here and leave it. Now I first think it can't be seen because it's very black. So I'm just gonna change the color. To change the color of that, you have to select the cup. You can see a black box here, click on that and you get this panel wherein you can just change any color. If you don't like colors from here, you just have to click on this. That is you can just select a variety of color. Like you just can go on red and it will change the color. The best part is you can really see when it changes. So you just can do anything here. Okay, so I just want to go on white because that's my color I want to use. Now you can adjust the cup, big, small, where not. So I'm just gonna add it here. Okay, so yep. So select the whole words you want to change color of. You have to come over here. You can see A and it says text color. So you just have to click on this, and again you'll get that panel of different beautiful colors. And because I'd used this recently, I can click on that and I will get my color ready. You see how easy that was. So same thing I'm gonna do for opening too. You see we have different options here. You have to go on effects, and there you have some amazing options, baby. Now what you can do is you can just click and see. You see it has changed. So if you like that, you can go for that. I do not like it, I do not want it. And if you see here, you have different options which you can, like, you see you can do the movements, you can change the direction of the shadow, you can make it blur, or you can make it transparent, or all of that option. So I do not want that, so we'll go for the next. It is light shadow. Next, it has it is kind of transparent, I mean whatever. Okay, so next, nah, we don't know when that. So you can add in the color also कि आपको कौन सा color चाहिए. I'll just go for pink. Oh, that looks nice. I'm gonna try it for some other poster someday. Yeah, so next is this, and this is my favorite. अब आपको पता चल गया है how did I do that. It was very easy. So yeah, Just gonna click on the next, and you have this neon lights. Opening, I think I had used this. Yes, 5th August of mine was of lights, neon. So we're gonna click on Chai Adda again, and you can see a option animate here. You have to click on that and you get a varieties of amazing options. Now what you have to do is go on, take your mouse there, and you just don't have to click on it. Just go, wait here, you'll see the words moving. Just go, wait. Okay, then I don't want this, I'll go on the next one. Woo, that was nice. Okay, then we go again, and this is something like, a typewriter. It is also named typewriter. On the cup, and you get a lot of options here, and you have to go like, yeah, everything is gonna move. Okay, don't get scared. Carry Chai Adda is gonna change again. No, it is the cup. It is just showing you like how will all of them look. You see, breathe, then fade, pan, rise. I think I'd use rise, so I'm just gonna use rise again. Done. Okay, now I think 5th August was the one I changed. So what I had done was roll. So you know how calendars, how it comes. So I wanted to give that effect. So there you go. Okay, and then we're gonna go on Chai Adda, and just gonna use some logo. Okay, I'm gonna go for rise. See, so our poster is ready. Poster plus video, 2 in 1. Ha ha ha. Okay, so now what you can do is you can really click on this option here and go in this option and go for PNG file. See, I'll suggest you guys, if you have to post this somewhere, if you have to print it out, do not go for JPEG, because JPEG is going to reduce the size. You can read there, small file size. We do not want that. We want a higher quality image, so we are going to go on PNG. Okay, that's selected, and we are going to download. Now this, you can see here down, it is getting downloaded. So this is our poster. Our poster is ready. There you go, our poster is ready. And I'm just gonna show you that it got downloaded right here. So you guys can see that the poster is all ready. Okay, how to add music. Okay, I had showed you this panel. Here we have an option of audio. You're gonna click on audio, and you'll get a varieties of options here. Okay, now what you have to do is either you can just click on this and hear the music, as you can hear. Okay, so either you can just add in you can just click over there to hear the music first, to know whether like what kind of music is it. Okay, as I'll play the other one. So okay, either you can do this, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here like this, and you get the whole music, the whole song here. So now here the best part is, guys, you can really move this. Okay, and select which part of the music do you want. Like, you want this. Okay, so you can really select the part you want the music. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. It's selected, and go on the download option again. It is already selected, MP4 video, and you just have to click on download, and you can, as you can see here, MP4 video, it's getting downloaded. So guys, this was how we designed a poster and a video out of out of one single place. Like, you do not have to go here and there. एक ही जगह पे both the work is done. So effects का effects भी आ गया, looks का looks भी आ गया, and plus your work was done for free. You really have to pay people for this. Like, if you have to make a poster or a video, they charge you bomb. So here on Canva, I really love Canva, to be frank. Canva is just amazing, like, for the fact that they are giving us so much of varieties of things for free. It is really amazing for, because people like who are starting new business, they really need posters, they really need videos. Okay, so our video is ready. Poster, so we're just gonna go on downloads, and I'm gonna play this video and show you how it turned out. Whoa, that's amazing. Liked the video. If I have helped you in any ways, please do like, because once you get a like, and YouTube is something I am starting after a long time. I wanted to start like forever, but here this reason, that reason, I did not start it. So if I've helped you guys today by any ways, please do like the video, please do subscribe me, because I am going to get you content which is going to be very useful for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and love you all. And please do comment, please do like, please do subscribe. Stay safe, stay happy, because being happy is all that matters. Being happy matters. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.